we are back. Let's go and see. We have a function, as you remember in the past, that do the work for us. We have a function here. We created in previous courses. If you want, you can see it, but I think you know it. It's a easy function that when you run it, wait a little, connecting Python 3, Google Computer Engine. You wait a little. Okay, after running, it gave us, okay, sorry, I maybe write it. Please enter your function. For example, add a student. You can add a student and change everything about them. For example, let's say we want to change the view grades to also show us the medians. Okay, we want here, for example, do some modification. Let's say we do some modification for x, for example, in range 1000, and then after doing that, we do some changes and then run it. After doing some changes and running the code, you see when we are going to call view grades, the code is crashing. But we spend so much time on creating the code to run right, we can't understand why it's crashing. It's like all our try and all our works are going to nothing. So what should we do? We should copy the code every time we create it perfect and then write the code. You maybe guess that you will forget to do the thing in the right time and in the right way. So what we do, we create an GitHub account, and with version control system, after each update we created, we just save it. Then we can put back our code to the last update or more less than the update. By that we can control our code just like it has a history, and we can whenever we want go back. Okay, this is a good interview on version control. If you like anything else, ask me in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Have a nice